What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to be looking at the new Filmora 13's grid feature. Now with this handy little tool, you can line up all your videos using a standard ruler type system and line up custom grid lines to really get that perfect shot. Let's have a look.
Okay, so I'm going to first add in some stock media so I can demonstrate how to add in the grid lines. So I'm just going to type in presentation, cartoon. Now I've selected the ruler tool as I right click on the image, and now I'm going to add in a guide. So it separates it into the vertical and horizontal. I'm going to select red and put it about the 500 mark. So as you can see, when I push OK, the red line will match up with the 500 ruler line, so then I can match my video to that edge. Now what am I going to put in this space? I think this will be a good spot for a title. So I'll speed it up a little bit just to make it vertical like that, and just write down something in there. Business talk. Yep. So as you can see, the video, I've pushed it across the screen, but in a nice alignment there. I'll show you another way. We'll have a look at the horizontal mode. Now, as you can see, I did put in a horizontal line earlier, but I want to redo that one. Now, if you did it without the tool, you'd have to kind of find the 200 mark just by scrolling your mouse there. And that's really quite finicky to do. As you can see, you can go by single digits there, up and down. So all I'm going to do now is delete the line and place it back in with the exact measurements that I want. So add in a guide, red again, and at the 200 for the horizontal. Now I can drag the video down to the 200 mark, nice and aligned, and place my title in there. So let's just call it, I don't know, Jenny's presentation. And just fix the font a little bit. And as you can see, it fits in nicely with that little video in there. Matches it up really nicely. So, without further ado, let's have a look and see what I did with it.
Buonasera. Buonasera. What have I ever done to make you treat me so disrespectfully? Had you come to me in friendship, then this scum that ruined your daughter would be suffering this very day. And that by chance, if an honest man such as yourself should make enemies, then they would become my enemies, and then they would be.
Hi honey, how you going?
Hi honey, I'm back from the shops.
Did you get everything from the shops?
Well, I think I got everything. I got the milk, and the olive oil, and this giant dog.
But we already have 6 dogs!
Well...
Darling, I think I need to tell you, I need to come clean. I've decided to leave you. What? Leave me? But why? No. It's been a long time coming. I've got to go live my dreams, you know? I've got to do it. If not now, when? I've had these dreams for a long time. And I need to do it now. What do you mean, live your dreams? I thought your dream was here, for family. I want to be a Shakespearean actor. A what? Babe, look, I know you're sad, alright? I'm sorry. I know I'm sad. What's that got to do with a Shakespearean actor?
Give sorrow words, the grief that does not speak, knits up the all-wrought heart and bids it break. What's done cannot be undone.
who could refrain, that had a heart to love, and in that heart, courage to make love known. What does that even mean? It's a window, darling. A window into the soul. Because I'm cultured now, and I need more.
And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for checking out my video today and for using Filmora 13's new grid feature. I'll be using it to line up my life just a little bit more. And I'll catch you next time.